This video you're about to see, it was chaos. No, actually good afternoon. पूरा एनर्जी डाउन. जब भी लास्ट वर्कशॉप में भी यही हुआ था, इस वर्कशॉप में भी यही हुआ था कि उनका टेबल खराब ना हो जाए पेंट से. Come with me to see the BTS. Good morning. No, actually good afternoon. Maybe because yesterday I was scheduling कि ये वीडियो कब बनाएंगे, तो दिमाग में ऐसा था कि कल सुबह उठ के पहले यही वीडियो बनाएंगे, but it's already afternoon. It's 1 PM. So दिमाग में तो मॉर्निंग है ना. Anyway, this video you're about to see my second canvas painting workshop related to the modern concept जो अभी बहुत ट्रेंड में है. It's like paint and sip or sip and paint something. Sip and paint and sip. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम भी इसका वीडियो बनाया था, खाली 2 हफ्ते हुए थे मैं आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग वीडियोस. तो तब तो मैं नूब थी, मतलब अभी भी ऐसे नहीं कि आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट, बट एटलीस्ट better than what I was 6 months prior. It will be acrylic on canvas. Come with me to see the BTS. Still stuck over here only. Still making the memory book. If you don't know what I'm speaking about, you can go to my previous video where I have made a whole video on the memory book and what and how and etc. Actually, the next morning, no, Sunday, the day of workshop. मतलब 2 दिवस बिजनेस कराने नहीं आया. When I had gone to purchase all this and arranging for all the materials and because it was chaos. ये सबके साथ होता होगा, right? जब भी कुछ चाहिए होता है, right? And when you go to purchase, there is nothing. You don't get. यूजुअल स्टोर में go, जो यूजुअली आप रेगुलरली एक स्टोर से खरीद रहे होते कुछ सामान, आप वहीं पे जाते हो एंड उसी दिन आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता. लास्ट वर्कशॉप में भी यही हुआ था, इस वर्कशॉप में भी यही हुआ. So it's already 9:30 AM. I have to go there by 11 AM because 12 o'clock workshop है, तो I need to do all the arrangements. So let's pack the bag. My bag. अरे first goes in is this. Today is the theme. I mean this workshop's theme will be like more of nature. We keep a palette theme as well. It's like यही colors होंगे इसमें. We will make a beautiful canvas portrait out of it. Pink or yellow, flowers. Maybe the idea which is people coming in age of 12, 13 and maybe 45, 50 years old. There is one auntie also coming in. I'm like brown papers and just put that canvas in this handmade canvas and we can take home. So it's like well protected. And this one and pretty, right? Wooden stand, paints, newspaper because to cover the tables ताकि उनका टेबल खराब ना हो जाए पेंट से. एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंस किसको चाहिए? पेंसिल ये तो हाथ में लेके जाना पड़ेगा. These are canvas. Yeah, it's final.
Okay, done. Pass.
I couldn't shoot yesterday because while winding up, there was such a strong headache. Plus पेट में कुछ नहीं था, पूरा एनर्जी डाउन. ऐसा नहीं कि जो चीज आपने दूसरी बार की it will be very easy or you'll just You just do like this, but no. First time I did, of course, it was very hectic. It was very exhausting. I thought second time है सब कुछ easily हो जाएगा क्योंकि मैंने पहली बार किया है. So nothing is new to me. But energy that it consumes, the time that it consumes. Yesterday, I was glad that I had my friend. नहीं तो मैं पागल हो जाती. So to speak about the workshop, it was fun. It was must. Conducting workshop just boosts your confidence. It shows you that where are you when it comes to socializing and how you approach people, making them comfortable. Where do you need to learn? Where do you stand? Thirdly, it shows that where do you stand in your teaching skills. Like it can be painting, it can be teaching a concept, it can be anything. How do you deliver so that the person sitting सब बताए कि सबको समझे. Delivery of things has to be very clear, simple, and understandable for everyone. So that is what it teaches. Actually, the photo, this is a group photo. But यहाँ पे दो लोग होंगे, एक auntie. She painted so well, very elder, and still she traveled like from 2.5 hours away from the workshop. She was interested in painting. That enthusiasm at that age, because I've seen people lose interest in their hobbies, their things that they were passionate about once they age up. That was there. And one more girl, she left because she suddenly started some dizziness. And the most excited I was for her painting because she had chosen this. और ये किसी ने भी choose नहीं किया था. और मैं इतना excited थी कि इसका outcome कैसे आएगा? How will it look in the actual painting? But actually ये workshop के बारे में there is so much of misunderstanding. They feel that as if it is like an actual workshop, like the workshop ही है, but they feel like it's like there is going to be one person who will be teaching everyone and they have to follow. That is not what it is. The painting workshops usually, like nowadays जो trend में है, it is sip and paint, which they conduct in cafes. It's just similar of what I conduct. Whenever I get an inquiry or a phone call, they ask ये है क्या सच्ची में. We are still aware of the concept where people come together on a weekend, 2 to 3 hours, and they put whole and soul of their mind and focus on the canvas and with vibrant colors to paint so that whatever their thoughts are come into that canvas. It's like journaling. It's like therapy. Actually, art is a therapy. So that is the workshop meant for. Next time I've decided I'm going to change the name and no more use workshop. It will be like canvas painting session or sip and paint session on canvas. So a guidance of a person, blending of acrylics or mixing of shades, making a new shade out of existing colors. People who come for the session, painting is not their area. In that session, I am there to guide you and to make the painting look good with whatever knowledge and skills and the flow of your mind is with that. I hope anyone who is seeing this is not aware of what workshop is. It's like they get to know what a workshop is. It's more about releasing the pressure and feeling the therapy when you paint and just forgetting everything for 3 hours. That is what actually painting does. And every workshop is a new story, new learning.